Good evening, my name is Liliana Lopez and in this is my participation in activity 9.5. Purchase process. After September 3 meeting, the following are the pending ones for next week. Elaborating the purchase order corresponding to the requisites of the account department. Gate at new to provider to buy audiovisual equipment, asking that compliance policies from the individual provider. Maria must go organizing that warehouse for the visit of fiscal revisory. The inventory must be made on Saturday, September 8 for the fiscal visit. On September 14, a visit to the Solinov company will be scheduled. Maria said she is going to invite the others tomorrow. For the visit to Solinov, it is important to preparing the report and payment methods. Wilson is going to have the report by September 30. The company are not going to be cleaning products from Season. It must go looking for another supplier. Oscar is going to request the approval of the purchase of the equipment for the budget of the year 2019. The financial management is going to request the reporting on the budget for the year 2019 in October. Thank you.